Okay, today we're going to talk about adjusting the headlights. Periodically, from time to time, the headlights will become out of adjustment, which can be a safety hazard. You can blind oncoming drivers, or worse, you may not even be able to see yourself correctly out of the headlights. To do that, you want to look at the headlights, turn it on. You want to have a reference point set up to adjust the headlights to. You need to know where you're trying to adjust them. There are specialized equipment that goes in front of the headlight to have the proper aim. However, you may need to call your repair shop in order to see if they have that equipment. If not, you can obviously do it yourself by simply taking the time to align the headlights up to where you feel they should be and adjust them accordingly. In this case, I believe this headlight is too low. At that point, I have made a reference mark on where the headlight should aim, and I want to adjust it accordingly. At this point, you can see the marks I've made here. The headlight is shining well below where it should be. At this point, I'm going to adjust the headlights on the car to achieve the proper level. As you can see now, the center of the headlight is shining in the middle of the reference point that I made. At this point, it is adjusted.